Okay, part 2 po tayo ng History of Mathematics. Okay, simulan natin. Pendulum clock. Christian Huygens. The word directrix is due to John D. Witt. Disciple of Desargues, inventor of the term origin in analytic geometry. Sections conicae. Si Philip de Hire. Called the conic section as Coude-Rouleau. Hirap bigkasin. Ito ay kay Gerard Desargues. Known as Prince of Amateurs. Ang Prince of Amateurs ay si Fermat. He has this idea that a parabola has two foci. Johannes Kepler. Develop principle of continuity for conics. Kay Kepler pa rin, Johannes Kepler. Known for his famous treatise Bijaganita and Lilavati. Kay Bhaskara. The leading mathematician of the 12th century, the one who filled some of the gaps in Brahmagupta's work. Si Bhaskara pa rin. Mention the two values of pi, practical value and neat value. Si Brahmagupta. A brief descriptive work in 123 metrical stanzas intended to supplement rules of calculation used in astronomy and mensurational mathematics with no appearance of deductive methodology. Aryabhatiya. Age of Astronomy. Siddhantas. Knew that the square on the diagonal of a rectangle is equal to the sum of the squares on the two adjacent sides. Apastamba. Rules of the chord. Blank refers to chord used for measurements. Blank means book of rules or aphorism to a ritual or a science. Sulbasutras. Sulbasutra. Chinese magic squares. Chinese Yang Hui. From the Semitic word abax or dust, a century used as a counting number. Abacus. His famous problem is the sagacity of bees. Pappus. Arithmetica. Eupanthus. Euclid's Book of Elements. Book 2 consists of, sa book 2 meron tayong geometric algebra. Euclid's Book of Elements. Book 1 is consists of, sa book 1, congruence of triangles. Euclid's Book of Elements. Book 3 is consists of, sa book 3, andun yung Thales Theorem. Reputed to have discovered the curves that were later known as the ellipse, the parabola, and the hyperbola. Menaechmus. Let no one ignorant of geometry enter here. Ang nagsabi nito ay si Plato. Known as the Indian Summer of Greek Mathematics, Silver Age. Propounded arguments to prove the inconsistency in the concepts of multiplicity and divisibility. Zeno. Two chief systems in Greece are Attic and Ionian, A and B. Love of wisdom. That which is learned, his motto is, all is number. Pythagoras. Earth magnitude. Kay Richter. Projective geometry, Paul. Francis Serbois. Equal sign. Robert Record. Predicted an eclipse and the 17-year cycle of Lucus. Benjamin Banneker. Rectangular array of elements. Matrix. First book in arithmetic ever written. Introductio Arithmetica. Father of Calculus. Isaac Newton. Italian mathematician who said that the volumes of two objects are equal if the areas of their corresponding cross-sections are in all cases equal. Bonaventura Cavalieri. 18th century mathematician predicted the day of his own death. Ang lupet. Ito ay si Abraham de Moivre. Proof of Fermat's last theorem. Andrew Willis. Greatest mathematician of antiquity. Archimedes. Mathematical collection. Book of Pappus. Father of Greek mathematics, first true mathematician, the originator of the deductive organization of geometry. Thales. Analytic theory of heat Fourier series. Joseph Fourier. 18th century mathematician Archimedes of his age, foundation for the calculus of variations. Johann Bernoulli. 17th century mathematician, Cartesian coordinate system, rules of sign. René Descartes. Jalali calendar. Omar Khayyam. Calculus of variations, field of differential equations. Joseph Louis Lagrange. Originator of set theory. George Cantor. Non-Euclidean theory, hyperbolic geometry. Nikolai Lobachevsky. Father of differential geometry. Gaspard Monge. Eighteenth century mathematician invented the analytical machine. Charles Babbage. Projective of geometry, point at infinity perspective theorem. Gerard Desargues. Yan lang muna yung part 2 natin, guys. Thank you.